You've probably heard that this is the best time to buy your dream home. What options do you have? Devon Short Sale Solutions presents a buyer's market. What are your options in this buyer's market? There are three major decisions when purchasing your dream home: purchasing a retail, bank-owned, or short sale. Let's take a look at the retail option first. The retail market is basically a normal real estate transaction. The seller sets the listing price and you make an offer. Most homes sold in the retail market are ready for you to move in and will keep the economy moving in a positive direction. However, you may end up spending much more money than you would if you explore your other options. Purchasing a bank-owned home is a much cheaper route, but you will likely be faced with the following difficulties. Bank-owned homes are more difficult to finance. You should expect to pay for more improvements before moving in. Banks are not required to provide seller disclosures for unknown problems. Bank-owned homes that sell for far less than market value are the main contributing factor in declining home values. A great option is short sale. It will require patience, but is a strategy to purchase a home that is most likely in move-in condition and in most cases is at a significant price reduction. Purchasing a home as a short sale will allow you to obtain traditional loan financing for your new home. Competitive costs, fees, and interest rates are available when you close on a home that is considered a short sale. Purchasing a home as a short sale will help stabilize the overall market while getting a fantastic deal. The sellers are usually very motivated to sell their home. The short sale gives you the best of both worlds. You get to purchase a house in move-in condition at a much better cost than you would pay for a home purchased through a retail transaction. But what is a short sale? A short sale is a transaction in which a lender allows a property to be sold for less than the amount owed. More and more informed real estate agents are educating their sellers and buyers to consider a short sale in these economic times. The key to this process is to make sure that everyone understands the expectations when selling or purchasing a home that will need the bank's approval. A short sale eliminates the seller's element of surprise, and in some cases their full deficiency is waived by the lender. So this is why they are motivated to sell to you under this arrangement. The seller's credit score will not be impacted nearly as much as in a foreclosure. Instead of being auctioned, the seller gets the opportunity to sell their home. A short sale allows the seller to control the initial process, including the sales offers. This is an advantage to the seller and the buyer. The only real disadvantage is the amount of time that the banks will take in deciding if the offer submitted is enough to release the seller from the mortgage and note. This is why our firm is staffed with a team of professionals that understand the mortgage process and legalities. Your professional real estate agent has elected to utilize our service to help this process go smoother. Buyers in this market are choosing to work with a qualified real estate agent and Devon Short Sale Solutions to improve the process when purchasing a home in a short sale situation. Devon Short Sale Solutions is an attorney-based team of short sale specialists who will negotiate for the seller and buyer to get the most favorable deal possible. With more than 4 decades of real estate, legal, and lender experience, we know what it takes to negotiate short sales successfully. Devon Short Sale Solutions is currently processing more than 250 short sales every month, so we have dealt with every type of scenario possible. There is no upfront cost, and we only get paid if the transaction is successful. We continue to build our business one customer at a time. Another key ingredient in taking advantage of this buyer's market is working with an experienced real estate agent who understands the short sale process. Your real estate agent will set appointments with listing agents to show you homes that you might be interested in, assist you in making an offer to the sellers, and communicate with you throughout the entire process. It is extremely important to work with a seasoned lender that has short sale experience. Your lender will help you figure out what price you can afford and get you pre-approved for a mortgage so you can begin shopping for a home. Once you find a home, they will work with you to lock in the best interest rate and secure the financing. Your lender will communicate with you and the real estate agents throughout the entire process. Your responsibilities include making the best offer based on the market, ensure you have obtained your mortgage financing, prepare yourself to be patient until the process is complete, and get ready to close on your home. One of the biggest questions that comes up on a day-to-day basis is how long does the short sale process take? Well, the short sale process is dynamic and varies from lender to lender. The honest answer is 90 to 120 days. The first step in the process is for the seller and the listing agent to complete the short sale package that will be submitted to Devon Short Sale Solutions for processing. This will include the purchase agreement that will be executed by you. Once the complete short sale packet is submitted to Devon Short Sale Solutions, It is forwarded to the seller's lender for their review. Lender review takes approximately 7 days. It is important to note that once the packet has been sent to the seller's lender, Devon Short Sale Solutions will contact the lender every 4 days until the file is closed just to follow up and check the status. The listing agent and the seller are emailed when updates occur with the file. After the seller's lender reviews the file, they will order a BPO. The BPO stands for Broker Price Opinion. The lender will hire a local third party to assess the current value of the property based on the current market conditions, neighborhood characteristics, and the current condition of the home. The BPO will help the lender determine what their home could legitimately be sold for in this current market. Completing the BPO takes approximately 60 days. Once the seller's lender completes the BPO, the negotiations really begin. Their lender will contact Devon Short Sale Solutions with the BPO. They have assessed the property, and our mitigation specialist will begin to negotiate a price that is most beneficial to all parties. This negotiation takes approximately 20 days. After extensive negotiating, a preliminary agreement is reached and the lender sends the price they settled for to Devon Short Sale Solutions for review. This takes approximately 15 days. The preliminary agreement is then put into writing and signed by Devon Short Sale Solutions and the lender. This takes approximately 7 days. At this point, your financing should begin to be finalized. This will include making application with your lender of choice to ensure a loan approval is issued, subject to an appraisal. After the written agreement is signed by both parties, you are free to close on your home. Congratulations, your patience has paid off. We hope that this presentation will allow you to make an informed decision to purchase your new home in this buyer's market.